going on, everybody? Fast Action Blades here. Just picked up a new EDC piece made by MTech USA. This is the MT-791. It's almost like a little dagger flipper. Anyway, it was advertised as a double-edged blade, which is not the case. You flip this open and it's got one sharpened edge. The other side is just a false edge. It looks like it would be a double-edged piece, but it is not that way. It's just a stainless steel flipper, almost 8 inches in length. It's got some excellent weight, liner lock. What's interesting about the pocket clip on this one is that it can't really come loose. It's attached inside the butt of the knife. As you can see, it's got a little glass breaker on the end there. I'm not a huge fan of the tip up carry. You put that in your pocket, you pull it out, and you got to switch and deploy. I would definitely prefer it if it was the other way around. If I just took it out and my hand was all ready to go on the flipper. As you can see, it's not assisted opening. It's all wrist action. But it's still a pretty cool little knife. Like I said, it's got some decent weight to it. I don't know the exact weight, but you know, it doesn't feel like it's cheaply made anyway, and it's a really budget piece. I found it for about $10 on Amazon. I figured can't go wrong, and this thing actually comes out pretty much razor sharp out of the box. I was able to shave some hair off my arm. Cutting paper was just a breeze. You know, it actually really turned out to be a pretty decent, usable knife. I've carried it for roughly a week or so at work, and I've been cutting straps and cutting boxes, and it seems to be doing alright. Cutting packages open. It's got a nice tip on it, very sharp. So, you know, I would definitely recommend picking one of these up. It seems like a pretty solid piece. It's not really any blade play there. It's not moving around. Not a bad little piece for 10 bucks. Anyway, thanks for watching, everyone. You have yourselves a great day.